Nature surrounds us with incredible shapes, textures, and colors, but capturing it on paper can feel intimidating. From trees and flowers to mountains and rivers, the variety of forms might seem overwhelming. The key is learning how to observe, simplify, and translate what you see into a drawing. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Drawing Nature, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Drawing nature isn't about copying every detail perfectly. It's about capturing the essence of the scene, its shapes, movement, and textures. By understanding basic forms, perspective, and shading, you can create drawings that feel alive and believable, whether you're sketching a single leaf or a sweeping landscape. Here's a step-by-step approach to get you started. Step number 1. Start with basic shapes. Almost everything in nature can be simplified into basic shapes. Trees often begin as rectangles for trunks and ovals for foliage. Flowers can start as circles and triangles. Rocks and mountains can be built with jagged geometric forms. Using shapes as a foundation helps you organize your composition and maintain accurate proportions before adding details. Step number 2. Observe proportions and relationships. Look at how different elements relate to each other. Is the tree taller than the building behind it? Does the rock sit closer to the foreground? Understanding scale and relationships ensures your scene feels balanced. Take a moment to measure visually, comparing widths, heights, and angles, before committing lines to paper. Step number 3. Capture gesture and flow. Nature is full of movement. Even in still scenes, branches curve, rivers twist, and grass bends in the wind. Begin your drawing with light, flowing lines that capture the overall movement. Gesture drawing helps your sketches feel dynamic and natural instead of stiff or mechanical. Step number 4. Build structure. Gradually, after the initial gesture and basic shapes, begin adding structure. Define the tree trunk and main branches, outline hills, or shape your flowers and rocks. Keep lines light during this stage so you can adjust as you go. Building gradually ensures that all elements remain consistent and harmonious within the scene. Step number 5. Add details. Thoughtfully. Details make your drawings interesting, but too many can overwhelm the composition. Focus on the key features that define your subject: leaf clusters, bark patterns, water reflections, or the texture of rocks. Use selective detail to guide the viewer's eye and create focal points, leaving less important areas more simplified. Step number 6. Use texture and shading to add depth. Texture brings realism to your nature drawings. For foliage, use short, overlapping strokes. For rocks, create rough marks. For water, smooth, flowing lines. Pair texture with shading to define light and shadow. Identify your light source and darken areas away from the light. Gradual shading adds dimension and gives your drawing a lifelike feel. Step number 7. Include foreground, midground, and background. Creating depth in a nature scene requires layering. The foreground should have more detail and darker lines, while midground and background elements become lighter and less defined. For example, a tree in the foreground may have intricate bark and leaf details, while distant trees are simple shapes with minimal shading. This technique makes your drawing feel three-dimensional. Step number 8. Study real nature references. Nothing beats observing the real world. Sketch outdoors when possible, or use photos to study light, textures, and forms. Notice how sunlight interacts with leaves, how clouds move across the sky, or how water reflects its surroundings. Over time, these observations train your eye to capture the subtle nuances of nature in your drawings. Start with a simple object from nature, like a leaf or a single flower. Break it into basic shapes, outline the structure, add texture and shading, and observe the light. Once comfortable, move on to a larger scene, a tree, a stream, or a landscape. Practice drawing the same scene multiple times from different angles to strengthen your observation and drawing skills. HowExpert Tip: focus on one element at a time. If a full scene feels overwhelming, pick a single element to study in detail, like a branch, a rock, or a flower. Mastering individual components makes assembling more complex scenes much easier later. When you approach nature drawing with observation, structure, and thoughtful detail, even complex landscapes and intricate plants become manageable. Regular practice builds both skill and confidence, letting you enjoy drawing as much as being outdoors. Your challenge? Take a walk outside and choose one natural object to sketch, maybe a tree, flower, or rock formation. Spend at least 15 minutes observing and drawing it, focusing on shapes, texture, and shading. Try to capture its essence, not just its outline. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on drawing nature, check out HowExpert Guide to Drawing Nature, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.